Hello. This week I am planning to give you a perspective of time is money. This is a quote from Benjamin Franklin about opportunity cost. So, when I say time is money, what I would like to share my knowledge is there are different ways of evaluating the desire to buy an object or avail a service. Let's see if we can measure the cost of possessing an object in terms of time instead of money. How do we do that? So, whenever we are working as an employee, what we are really doing is trading time for money. So, you work for an employer and you get paid in exchange for the time and effort you have put in. So, let's see in this video how to calculate the money in terms of the time you have spent. So what's the exchange rate? Let's see. Let's take an example case study where Bob is a full-time employee and he's working in Australia with a gross annual salary of $100,000. He works 8 hours a day, 52 weeks in a year. So he has got 2 weeks of public holidays and 4 weeks of earned leave and 2 weeks of sick leave. So in essence, he's really working 44 weeks in a year, or it's equivalent to 220 days or 1760 hours. So for this case study, let's ignore superannuation, which is really an income stream post-retirement. So let's ignore the super component of his pay. So he's getting an annual salary of 100,000 and the superannuation is 8,675 and the taxes are 22,603. Overall his after tax pay is $68,721. So if you divide this by the number of hours, it's $39 per hour. So let's see how we measure buying objects in terms of time exchanged. So the current cost of an iPhone XR is $1,229. So if I divide this by $39, it's equivalent to 31.5 hours of your time. So when you are buying something, you might think in terms of the amount of time you have to exchange to possess this object. So let's take a bigger example. Say you're trying to buy a luxury car for $50,000 and this is equivalent to 1282 hours of your time. So the whole point of this is measuring the cost of the desire to possess an object or avail a service in terms of time to be exchanged. So the amount of time you will be losing instead of the actual money. So the conclusion is to spend wisely, measure everything in time and effort rather than in real money, and also measure in the real happiness that this object is gonna give you. Thank you so much. That's all I have for today. Bye.